Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are coming from. If today is your first time come across my video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification so that anytime, any day I go live, you will be the first to see. Yes, waiting I take come today now. All these our comedians when you be see them in Nigeria, the way they marry. So you see all these comedians now, all of them where they see so now all of them now those state they come from, and those state now all of them come from, and they are doing well. They are doing well, and why they are going to Igbo land to go and marry. Not mean say Benin women not there Benin or women not there those states. You understand me? Even the women when it be said they do those states self, all of them they even they all these comedians they not they watch them. They not even get time for all these comedians. People where they watch all these comedians na Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, and then they watch all these comedians. Because at those state people then they interested in watching saga. Now saga they like to watch. Waiting Monica want do, waiting Lolo want talk, waiting social media president want talk, waiting Esther want talk, waiting all now that they wait for me then here. Me I don't know waiting that they find for saga. Me I don't know. Me I don't know waiting all this Benin those states waiting that they fight for saga. They go there, they sleep, they as they go there, they argue. Another person go just come, he go carry their food, he go chop out, they go remain hungry. Now I be waiting and call this thing. You know me, so you want to tell me say women not there at those state? Then they. But why? All of them one day for social media, they watch saga. They watch how you a whole full state, all of them, everybody they do saga. See about your base where they work for politicians, that one they do saga. See Tony Kabaka, they do saga. It remains small now, me Governor Obaseki enter me, they do the saga. Even their musician, even the ones where they add film or Ebony, all of them, that they do saga. Only them, they do saga for everywhere. Mona not get me wrong, bro. Mona not get me wrong. Because all these comedians now supposed to they marry Una. But no, Una not get time to watch them. Una they interested of saga. Waiting this one want to, waiting this one want to. You feel hear this thing when they talk, so you go they quarrel for me, you go they verse for me, but truth not me say me will not talk am. May I put this video more and watch am. Me una see wetin I dey talk about so.
Nanda gaya lukugan. Akan lukumbawa sa office mo ada. Ayo juga ada nama pandaga, nama pandaga nol. Apa ada? Tak bisa lagi jumpa. Nol kita. Nol kita. Itu juga. Yes, a very important one. Yes. You have to tell them, the guy you don't know. You say, the guy you don't know. You know, you are welcome. That's good. Okay, now, after you have greeted your people, you have to go and have your seat. Then we'll be expecting the celebrity to come and also meet you and eventually you are coming. Yes, you are welcome, you are welcome, you are welcome. Kita hanya nama kami our guests. Hanya banyak bangku ke the arrival of the celebrants. So we are expecting the celebrants to come and welcome our.
From my husband, Mbobia, I know how to work to 2 months. We've not dated like 2 months. It's not that I have not been seeing relationship. I have not been staying in relationship. I have been in relationship for so long before he met me. When he met me, he invited me over because I want to tell us our secrets. We ladies, we need to learn from this. There are some things you do and you neglected it. You think that is a manual thing, but it meant a lot where men are. Anytime a man invited you, do not ask for money. That is our problem, we ladies today. Someone will ask you, please come and visit me. The next thing is your family problem. Your phone has spoiled. My birthday is by next 2 weeks. When you have done your birthday already. That is the problem we are having with ladies. Some of us, why we are still single is because of this attitude. Please, let's put a stop to it. If a man invited you over, use your money, make your head. Use your money and do the transportation. Do not ask for money. It's not your bank alert. The man is not your bank alert. Listen to her. I just want to pass this word of an advice because you people will not see me tomorrow. Today is the last day I have to say it, and I want to say it to each and every one of us here. Be a self-made. Do not depend on any man. No man is your brother, no man is your sister. It's your father that owes you a responsibility. No man outside owes you anything. When he invited me over, I said to him, okay, I'm coming. I arranged my bag. My sister said, if you go, Benin people will cut your head. My sister said that Benin people are very bad. He said that unless I want her to die, I said I'm going. The day I was going, I off my phone because I know she will call me. I went. When this young man saw me, another thing happened. I started because I'm good in cleaning. If you know me, my dad knows me very well. I can clean. When it comes to cleanliness, you don't play with me. And if I arrange and destroy it, I will have issue with you. That was how I was following him. He can drop millions of naira and he will not remember it. In his house was where I saved roughly 50,000 naira. Ask him. pocket money. He will remove his trouser now. There is a lot of money. He will not check it again. And I was saving it. One day I called him. I said, baby, this is the money I saw in your bag. And he was shocked because he never seen such a woman in his life. Please, if you have any spirit of stealing in you, cancel it from today. It's very important. If a man loves you, he loves you for who you are, not for what you are coming for. I'm giving this advice because this is today will be the last day I will say this to you people because I love my people. Please, let's learn how to live a righteous life and a straightforward life. Don't be a liar in your man's house because these are the things that terminate relationship.
You see these presenters in Europe. I don't really know what is their problem. I don't really know what is their problem. They are not using their social media to tell people what is going on in Nigeria, to even open some people eyes, even to advise single mothers, even to let women where they watch them to stay with their husband. They should stop misbehaving. The other day, one person come out in live video, start presenting video that even if they have right to follow any other man in this world when he want to follow. I can't ask that woman question. Your husband don't marry you. He say he never marry him, but he go soon marry him. I can't tell her and say, okay, your husband go soon marry you. Una don't born 4 children. He say yes. I say tomorrow now your husband now go they carry different women. You go like him. He say no. I can't tell her why you they present this video. They tell them say everybody have right to follow. Say men have right to follow women, any women where they want like. He say because if any is a single mother, I say you are a stupid to talk this kind of thing. You know say all these people where they view now, all these people where they view. Now it make it be say that they cry that they die for inside house. That they die inside house, they know they see who they feel help them. Because why? That they go for the wrong places. Wrong places. So how can you be sitting down viewing people that is quarreling? If you ask them now, what is the problem? Why are you people quarreling? They cannot even bring one issue. Because of jealousy, they want to do background. Some of them want to travel to UK. Some of them want to live in UK. Some of them, why are you people dragging? Use your social media to use it to help your people. Use it to help your people. Use it to tell them that people is dying. Use it to let them know that in your village, Fulani herdsmen is killing people. Use it to talk that Nigeria government are very, very wicked. Use your something to tell to people, to educate people, not in social media quarreling. And the people that is viewing them is the most useless and entity people in Europe here, where we have from Nigeria. Let me come and start telling you what I have to tell you about this issue. Where you look at all these viewers, where they view them, almost all of them come from Edo State. All of them, they are from Edo State. If you go and check there, they don't watch all this Nigeria comedian. They don't even have time for this comedian. Only what they have time is Aproko and just all those stupid bloggers. They don't have anything that they are vlogging. Only people, Monica and Lolo and other people, they are carrying their video. They don't have any good vlog. They don't have anything. And when you go and check them, only people that follow them is from Edo State. And when you say you want to check their profile, if you see those ones that comment idiotic comment, if you say let you go and check the profile from Benin, Edo State, that is only where they follow people. They don't follow good presenters. They don't follow them. They only follow the ones that is quarreling, committing nuisance in Facebook. If you go to their, see the Facebook, the video I posted from this guy called Mr. Z. I go to Aproko, people carry it. I see what they are commenting in there. They are saying, Mr. Z, enter house. You don't know what you are saying. You go and open use your own to do saga. No, but I check the profile of the person. Now, a woman with 3 children, single mother. I say, no wonder you will not find any man in your life. Because why? You don't have your senses. You don't use your sense in your brain. Okay. You see these comedians now, they are going to Igbo land to go and marry. Does it mean that no women from Edo State? they have women of Edo State. Go and check their comments where they are commenting the comedian. Only people you will see there, Yoruba, Igbos, Hausa, other countries from Africa. But you will not see them, these Edo State people. You only see them commenting in social media where the saga is, where they are fighting, where all those things is happening. There is killing going on in Edo State. Killing every day. Courts must kill themselves. They don't have any good thing presenting. They are presenting nonsense. How can you go to the full state? You see the comedians, they are doing saga. They are doing sagas. You see the movie actress like Ebony and Esther, the ones that they are singing. They are doing saga. You see the one where then they call Destiny. I don't know what in Destiny, where in Destiny they do saga. You see Abat Obaze, they do saga. All of them, they into saga. Must all of you be doing saga? Tony Kabak, all of them, they are doing saga. The ones that is in Nigeria, the ones that is in Europe, everybody is doing saga. You cannot see any one of them doing presenting good thing. No one. They are quarreling. How can you imagine you can go to any movie, any Edo State presenter, any women that Edo State presenter, you will see that his Curtis is killing people. You go to other vloggers that is another state, you will see them posting how Edo State youth is killing themselves, but you will not find it for any Edo State presenter in their social media. You can only see their presenter, only what they post is quarreling, fighting, all this kind of thing. Now the only way that they post, apart from all this quarrel, they not they post anything. Only one boy when he be say na him they do this video. This guy not they get view. Only this guy where they Italian, I don't know where they talk about this Curtis where they go on for Edo State. You know they get view. You cannot get more than 20 view, 10 view. But if we go to all these ones that is committing nuisance, they have 1,000 view, 2,000 view, 3,000 view. They don't have anything they are doing. Look at Iziegbe now. You people say now he's in Instagram, he's doing big thing. Instablog Nigeria is carrying his video. Gossip Me Nigeria is carrying. Not carrying his video for good thing. They are carrying the video. Only people they used to promote that their product is person that is an entity. People who don't have any life again, where their pekus have already opened. Now only then that they used to they do that thing. You see them, you will see the monkey face, the one where they curse the Oba. You will see the one where saying I am be God of for Paris. All of them, no one is presenting any good thing to show to it. No one. People is dying. The same state, people are dying. People are suffering. Many things is happening. They are quarreling all over the place. Every time quarrel. Saga. What are they doing? Aproko, Instablog, I don't know, Gossip Me, I don't know what it be their name, Niger Watch, waiting all of them. You go see one person, you know, say these people are an entity. One person will open one YouTube channel. He never come and present anything inside, but now them, he go take put them. He go use and they collect money. Niger Watch, many people where they use them till they collect money. Themselves now tomorrow they go still enter street go they beg. They don't have any good thing they are achieving from this their social media they are doing. And the mumu viewers when they be saying now they view them and they pity for now. Una go really suffer because una no go there for husband house because why? Now charity begins at home, and if goat follow dog go chop, he go chop shit. So more una continue to the view. Nobody bono. More now continue to the view. One day, and not be one day, one by one, all of una go they lose on a husband, go they be single mother, go they suffering, all these things go they be into you people. Until you people say, okay, let's stop why are we fighting ourselves? Why all these things? Why all this saga? Why why the saga? Me, I don't really know why all the saga, but I know one day you people will come together and realize what you people are doing to yourself. You are taking your state to down. No good thing you are presenting. People are dying in Nigeria. You cannot see it. Any Edo State presenters, you will see nothing. You will see for them. They are speaking that their language and be insulting themselves and causing their person, taking their personality down. If you see the musician, they are into it. You will see the politician, they are into it. You will see the movies actress, they are into it. All of them, they on top of saga. All of them, they are doing saga, going to be reporting their fellow people page, just being a group. This one a group of this one a group of this one. They don't have anything they are doing their group for. If you go to other part of other people, they create group where they help their fellow people. If anything happen to their fellow people, they will use it to help them. But this group, they are not doing anything. Only their group, what they are doing with their group is to report their fellow people page, and doing that. They why my people, why what make me talk all this thing today? I just talk and say, if you talk you go die, if you not talk you go die. So I come in peace, my guys. Thank you so much, guys.